Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In the short tutorial, I will discuss about how to transfer contacts from old Android phone to new Android phone. So how can I transfer? So guys, you can see this is my old mobile and this is my new mobile. So how can I transfer contacts from this phone to this phone? So keep watching this video until then. I will teach you so easy solution for transferring contact from Android to Android. So guys, first of all, open Play Store and you need to download Google Contact application. So open it after downloading, and here is my all contact. So simply press anyone contact, and here's click on three dot, and here's select all. Now simply click on this share icon. Now wait for some second, and now guys is generating a VCA file. Now scroll up. Here is many options to share this contact. So simply click on Bluetooth and simply turn on, and here guys, now simply open Bluetooth in new mobile. Here is now simply long press on Bluetooth icon and turn on Bluetooth from here, and wait for some seconds. So guys, here is my new device showing here. Click on it and wait for few seconds, and now notification will showing on my new device. Simply accept, and receiving. So here is guys, simply click on this Bluetooth file you have recently received from my old mobile, and click on contacts, and now always, now select the account. Now wait for some second. Now guys, go back and now open the Google Contact application in this mobile. Here is, now you can see my all contacts slowly transferring in my new device. So guys, this is a very simple method to transferring contact from old mobile to new mobiles. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.